What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer, and we're back again. So, guys, we got a lot of talking to do. I mean, this video is about algo and the price action it's been having, and what should we expect next. And look at it right here on the screen. Algo hit $1.02. First video I did, it was at what 88 cents. You could go back. It was a great. I mean, first of all, I want to salute the algo community. Let's get it. Let's keep taking it. Today, the difference between last video, I was just warning people. 88 cents. I don't do this just for my health. I really, when I put out these videos, is because that thing is about to move. But so we got. I was making like 15% every single day. On top of that, I'm still getting the 6% APR interest, compounding interest that's given to you daily on algo. So that's still running, and we made a really big gain on capital appreciation. So that being said, hey, look, well, you guys can see that algo ran 23% today. Oh, right there. That's Yahoo Finance, 23%. But yeah, so and we hit 200 members in Chart Champion. Congratulations to Crypto Cardi and Green Dot, me. You know what I mean? We started this with just us two in it. And we grew it. We made these YouTubes. You know, we started telling our friends and family. And now we got 200 members of excellent traders in there. Excellent. Like, I learned so much from the people that are in there, because one or two a person can't conquer the entire investing world by themselves. You know what I mean? So, but we have people that are locked in on coins. We have people that are locked in on crypto. I mean, well, crypto coins, locked in on Forex, locked in on stocks, locked in on dividends. Everyone specializes in their own thing. And, you know, some of us just dabble in everything like I do, because these charts, when you learn how to read charts, they apply to everything. So here we go. Algorand. It's still saying buy signal. It's super bullish today. This is what some of the Trading View traders think about it. They publish these articles, you know, so you could always look at these and see what other traders see, you know, because, you know, it's about having that trader's eye. Some people see it quicker than others. I use my indicators. It helps me out. And it's the way to go. So 200 members, algo hitting $1. The Roth IRA stocks and my dividends are still spitting. The energy transfer oil sector running. Wells Fargo financial sector is running. Marijuana companies, Afria. I sold Afria already, but I recommended it to a lot of people, like my little brother, my best friend Robbie. You know what I mean? So they're all eating gains, which is awesome. Afria keep on running. You know, I'm actually going to try to figure out a way how to get back into the marijuana sector, because I already made $3,000 on ACB profit, sold it, took it home, and I made $1,800 profit on Afria, sold it, took it home. Now my next target on that, I'll make a video on it when I'm ready to enter, is IIPR, which is a real estate cannabis company, as you could say. It's a REIT cannabis company, and they own the land that the cannabis is grown on, greenhouses, etc. So, and they pay a nice dividend. That's why I'm going to go into that. That's how I'm going to go back into the marijuana field. But I'm actually still in it, according to my portfolio, in that I show on Chart Champions. Go ahead and join Chart Champions. It's serious. We have 200 members. It's gonna shut down. It's free right now. Get in there. You're missing a treasure trove of information by not being in there. So join Chart Champions, because I show my portfolio there every day, and I still have some marijuana exposure through MO, Ultria, MO being Ultria. Their main purpose as a company is they sell Marlboro cigarettes in the U.S. They own Juul Vape Company, and they own 35% of Kronos, which is a marijuana company. And actually it's 45%, because they have a deal to buy another 10%, which would put them at 55, giving them a controlling stake when the legalization of marijuana comes on a federal level. So I have that exposure, and I have Avi. Avi's actually making real live medicines with cannabis. So I have two different things that are not directly, they're not dispensaries, but they're working with it. And but I am gonna go back in and not on the dispensary side, like I said, but on the real estate side. But Algorand, Algo. Come on, people. I was here. I mean, there was only a few people that caught this train with me. So a lot of people are late to the party. A lot of people been asking. So I got to give y'all an update and see how it's looking for y'all. All right, Algorand. This is a month chart. As you can see, there's not a lot of data here because Algorand was created and born and came out on January 1st. January 1st. So that's when it came out. So there's not a lot of data on the month chart. There's only been a month. And this is the week chart. Again, not a lot of data on the week chart. But you can see where here, where it was consolidating, the MACD gave you a long signal and the wave oscillator down here gave you a green dot. When did they give you? Well, the MACD gave it to you first. 16th of November, told you to invest, and you had caught that at woohoo, that's money, guys. Yeah, like I don't think you guys understand the percentages of this. 25 cents is that $1? You know what? I got you. I got the percentages for you right here. 25 cents. Whoo! See, that's there. So when the MACD on the week chart and the wave oscillator gave you a green dot and told you to buy, you had made 336.24%. So over 300% return on your money. That is excellent. But yeah, all right. So now let's see. Now let's look at what this is telling us. All right. Over here, we've taught you about the RSI before on this channel. Go ahead. There's another video. I'll leave a link over here about the RSI so you can learn how to use that. But this RSI is overbought. This is overbought. You know what I mean? It's been being bought by the masses. Elon Musk tweeted about Bitcoin. Tesla's accepting Bitcoin now. So it's a lot of things happening. Still, you know, overbought. It's been running. It's about to hit this third RSI. This third RSI is at $1.16. So it's at $1.03. It's still moving as we're speaking, guys. Crypto never closes. This is a 24/7 market. All right. This doesn't have holidays. This doesn't have weekends. There's no pre and post market. This is 24/7. All right. But it's still running. So it was at 102 right now. And if it keeps going on a bullish trend, which I'm super bullish on crypto for the entire year. They're talking about Bitcoin hitting 50,000. It went to 44 today. It's gonna I would say if Bitcoin 50,000 mid-year, it's gonna happen sooner than that, I think. So yeah, I'm sticking. I'm not selling, I'm not trading, I'm not gonna tether down, tether up. I'm gonna keep buying. I'm just scrapping for capital. I'm out there working, trying to get more capital so I could invest more. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to grow my money. I already got how much percentage I got on this. I think I got over 50%. I funded my Coinbase with $350 and there's a $740 in it now. But that's between Algo and Stella, being ticket symbol XLNUSD. All right, guys. So for the guys that want to join in, I mean, you guys are joining the party a little bit too late. But I mean, like I said, I have a whole year-long view of this being bullish. So let me see what advice I could give to you guys and what I could do for you on Algo regarding Algo. So on your day chart, we're still oversold. I'm trying to see where's the red dot. Even in the 4 hour, we're still running. You see that? Still running on the full hour. Let's go down to 1 hour. Oh, no red dot here. What level is this? Let's see. That's a 77 level. I mean, it could go up all the way up to 100 still. So, I mean, some people might say that doesn't have room to run. Some people might say it's trying to reverse right now. This is going to print in 25 minutes. You see right here is to countdown. In 24 minutes is going to print a red dot probably. I would say so. Maybe it doesn't. You know, this is not an exact science. We try to make it an exact science, but it's not. But you could come very close. That's how people are still profitable. Don't get me twisted. My win rate is like 97%. I want to say 100, honestly, because I barely lose. And I'm not just saying that just to say. I'm like, if I lost, I would tell you. I'm not here to spread false information. You know what I mean? I win. I'm a winner, you know? And I wouldn't be putting out these YouTubes if I wasn't winning. I wouldn't teach you the wrong way, you know? But all right, 30 minutes. We're here. February 8th, which is today at 1700, which is at 5 p.m. We got a bearish divergence here on the MACD. It crossed downward. It's crossing downward. If it touches that histogram, it's going to crack. Hey, I don't think it's going to go all the way down to the oversold levels, but it might meet this level right here back into like the 40, 30 area of the RSI. So, but what it's most prone to happen is that we're going to start catching Kobe's, you know, where I don't think we're going to go under to the under bubble here or get extremely oversold. We're going to dip down a little bit as we have to. It's always correction. You know what I mean? We don't just keep running straight up forever. It's up, then dip, then up, then dip, then up and dip, you know, and that's what we call the Kobe dots here because we're already up. Now we got a red. We're going to do a small dip, not really go all the way down, print a green dot on top of that VWAP and whoop, that's another pop. And that pop might fill up from this RSI, from this resistance line to this resistance line, which if we break this resistance line, then that becomes support. The old resistance, when broken, becomes your new support. And then this is our next target right here. Our next target will be $1.22. So can we get it? Yeah, man. If everything is true, how everything is pretty much working out, Bitcoin going to 50K, which is not far-fetched at all, and Ethereum going to 5K, which is not far-fetched at all, then this should get us our tiny $1.22, which is not that tiny. It's still $1. This is almost like a penny stock, guys. The returns are huge on this. But yeah, so for those trying to come in, I don't want you to be buying at the top, buying all expensive because you're late to the party and you're just seeing everybody making money and you're hearing about it and Elon Musk is tweeting about it. Don't get washed with the rest of the crowd. You should have been in chart champions and you would have been already in profit and benefiting. But I don't know. Some people have excuses. They don't want to, take their freedom back. They don't want to leave their shitty jobs. I don't know what your excuse is, but chart champions, the members already in chart champions have no excuses. They're putting down thousands of dollars. I put my own money behind every single YouTube that I have out there. My own money has gone in it. I've profited, I've swung it, and I've been in it. I never put out anything that I haven't touched myself. The only reason I feel qualified enough to tell you about something is because I'm doing it myself and I have experience in it. So, but disclaimer, not a CFA. Do your own research as you always should and make your own decisions. But I'm here to guide you, turn your face so you can know that you're looking in the right direction. Some people might be late, but it doesn't mean that's the end. We could still make it. We could still get it. Like, what's a high target? A high target on this would be about 156, 160. Very obtainable. I believe it's very obtainable. So we still have room to run. But I will relax and wait for a dip. Whatever dip we get, it's just more buying opportunities, guys. So once again, join Chart Champions. They knew it first. Join chart champions. They know what I'm buying, what I'm trading, what I'm swinging first. And you get a treasure trove of information by joining chart champions. And join it before we start charging people, because it's free. And trust me, free is better than paying a monthly subscription. But for the 200 members that we have there, for everyone that watched that Algorand video, and you know, everybody that hits that like button and everybody that consistently subscribes, thank you. Cheers to our 200 members and chart champions. I'm gonna open one up with ya. It's the only way to celebrate. And we just started. We're just started. From 2 people, from Crypto Cardi to Green Dot Whisperer to 200 members. Let's get it. We're building an empire. There's only one person to thank. Amen. Let's get it.